how important it is to check the credit profile before investing in a mutual fund. Our industry expert, Mr. Hariharan, will explain this to you now.
So every mutual fund gives a portfolio to who are the issuers in that portfolio, and all these issuers have a rating which tells us what is the credit risk in that particular fund. So if it's a triple A or a sovereign rated, which means that the credit risk is very, very low, practically zero. If you go to a A-rated paper, is where there's an increase in credit risk, and so on and so forth. And the SEBI classification also is done in a way that some of these classifications are based on the credit profile. So a credit risk fund, for example, will invest 65% into non-AAA, which is not the safest kind of papers. So somebody comes into credit risk, comes with a complete awareness that there is an element of credit risk here, right? So look at credit profile also.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free, and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share, and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.